The greatest discovery of any generation is that a human can alter his life by altering his personality. Rightly said by the famous American philosopher and psychologist William James.
স্বপ্ন পূরণই জীবনের একমাত্র লক্ষ্য নয়, তাই বলে স্বপ্নকে ত্যাগ করে নয়, তাকে সঙ্গে নিয়ে চলো। স্বপ্ন ছাড়া জীবন অর্থহীন।
Jesse pirini fano joton islai kotorkuk sawiman maningkha borok khoroksa bo slai jagai mano tumungno bobini kokmong lamung rokno slaiman khangke
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯤꯆꯠ ꯁꯥꯆꯠꯄꯨ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯀꯞ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ഒയ്കനെ
ഏതൊരു തലമുടിയെ ഏറ്റവും വലുതേ കണ്ടുപിടുത്തം ഒരു മനുഷ്യ തന്നെ മനോഭാവത്താൽ മാറ്റിയിൽ അവർ ജീവിതം മാറ്റാൻ കഴിയും.
किसी भी पीढ़ी की सबसे बड़ी खोज ये है कि एक इंसान अपने दृष्टिकोण को बदलकर अपनी जीवन बदल सकता है. Good evening and a warm welcome to all the beautiful souls gathered here this evening. With these wise and significant words by William James, we have come together to celebrate our school's 24th annual day. I, Debadrita Karmakar,
Myself, Angela Riang.
I, Abhinav Roy.
me Jonghor Debarma
myself Neelam Singha
I, Grace Felix,
are
are your hosts for tonight.
we the comparers would like to offer our gratitude to Miss Tanushri Bhattacharya for her mentorship in guiding us.
It is indeed a day we all been eagerly waiting for, a day filled with joy, laughter, and talented performance by our Bosconians.
Our theme for this year is Breaking Boundaries and Unleashing Potential, a theme that resonates within us. Through tonight's performance, we aim to reflect on the beauty of diverse cultures,
Breaking boundaries.
and express our ideas
As we honor the past, cherish the present, and inspire the future. As we embark on this beautiful journey of celebrations, let us remember that the light of knowledge dispels the darkness of ignorance.
And so, keeping up with the tradition, it is time to begin our program by lighting the lamp, which symbolizes wisdom, knowledge, and enlightenment.
So, with great honor, I request Father Sebastian Palati to kindly come forward and light the lamp, thereby symbolically lighting the path to a wonderful annual day celebration.
Please join me in welcoming him with a warm round of applause. Thank you.
I request Father Vice Provincial to come as well.
Today, as we are gathered here to celebrate the timeless magic of art and expression, a world where prayer meets song, where movement becomes dance, and where creativity knows no bounds.
Art has always been a language that speaks directly to the soul, crossing all the boundaries to reach the hearts of many. With this spirit, we call upon the prayer song students under the guidance of Ms. Pompa Roy
Sir Ratneshwar Bhomik,
and Ms. Soma Devnath to enlighten us with their beautiful song.
শোভিতা তুমি হে প্রভু আমাদের প্রার্থনাই শুধু
elegancy of the dance and the harmony of your voices were not just in the song, but how beautifully you work together as a group. Thank you for showing us the power of unity and collaboration.
Moving forward, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Father Sebastian, for guiding our school for the past 5 years with his unwavering support and a vision that inspires us every day.
Now, with great respect, I request Father to step on the stage and address the gathering.
Jotano Sarikaham, Namaskar. Good evening, everyone. It is my proud privilege to acknowledge your presence and welcome you all to the 24th Annual Day celebration of Don Bosco School, Agartala. It is indeed a wonderful evening with the atmosphere brimming with excitement, eagerness, coupled with good measure of tension as well, and quite a bit of noise around. And yet, I'm happy to inform you that our students are ready to entertain you this evening, placing before you a few life values as well. I'm happy to welcome everyone today. Let me start welcoming our chief guest today, Father John Sosiama, the Salesian Provincial, who is the head of all the Don Bosco institutions in Kasi Jantia Hills, Mizoram, Barakwali, and here in Tripura. On behalf of the school, I would like to thank you for all the support that you give, the guidance that you offer to us in the overall development of this institution. And thank you for making a very special effort this evening to come over here along with all the council members. That is very thoughtful of you. Welcome, Father. I'm also happy to welcome Father Jivan Kishore Lakra, the Vice Provincial, who assists the Provincial in the day-to-day running of the province, all the affairs of the province. And today is the first time he's coming for a function. Father Jivan, welcome to Don Bosco. This evening, I'm happy to welcome and introduce Father Genesius Vania, the financial administrator of the province, supervising all the constructional activities, developmental activities of the province. Welcome, Father. Father Babu Stephen, the principal of St. Xavier School, is the education secretary of the province. I'm happy that Father has made it to be with us this evening. We have Brother Reggie Joseph. He has been the mastermind of the great work at Don Bosco Silchar. He manages the Bosco Tech, providing training to countless number of young people. He, along with the Father Josh Maria, the rector of Don Bosco Silchar, has begun providing a lot of school amenities, uniforms, and the latest being the transformer, the generator that is made there in Bosco Tech. I'm happy to welcome Father Saji Stephen, the director of Don Bosco Technical School, Shillong. Let me this evening acknowledge and welcome Father Kenny Pakma, the director of St. Joseph's Agriculture Center, Umran, Shillong. I'm also happy to welcome Father Nelson Joseph, principal of Don Bosco, Longthalai, Mizoram. These are the persons who form the highest decision-making body in the province. And so this evening, we have a power-packed gathering. I'm happy to welcome our provincial and all the council members. Let's give them a hand, please. Thank you. I'm happy to welcome our close collaborators in education, Sister Marceline Sagma, Superior of Auxilium Convent, along with Sister Joplin Suchiang, the Principal of Auxilium Girls' School. I'm happy to welcome our other eminent guests, two of our eminent guests, Mr. Achintam Kilkidar, the Deputy Commissioner, Department of Social Welfare, one of our happy parents. Welcome, sir. I'm happy also to welcome Sri Kamal Koloi EM, TTADC, another satisfied parent of ours. Let me welcome the Superior of St. Joseph's Hospital, along with other sisters who are present here. I would like to acknowledge the presence of all our special guests. On behalf of Father Rector, the Vice Principal, School Managing Committee, and all the staff and the students of Don Bosco School, welcome everyone to this evening. Don Bosco School, which began 27 years ago, is marching forward. And this academic year, which began on the 16th April 2024, has been a wonderful year for all of us. His Excellency Sri Indrasena Nallu Reddy, the Honorable Governor of Tripura, inaugurated the newly constructed Jubilee Annex on the 8th July 2024. This was funded by the province, and we would like to thank the provincial for giving a gift to us here in Tripura. In accordance with the National Education Policy, this building is housing the foundational stage of education of the children, that is, from class nursery to class 2. Since this year, we made a very conscious effort to have about 38 to 40 students, 42 students in each of the sections of our school, so that the children can get better care from their teachers, and teachers are able to manage the children the best way they can. Accordingly, we have taken more than a dozen teachers, we have inducted them into our school, and almost all of them are Montessori trained. And recently, they had undergone a 3-day session at Montfort School, Montfort Champaknagar, on play method of teaching. The Jubilee Annex is equipped with a new computer lab, a sick room, a dispensary, a passenger lift, a hall that can contain about 200 students, and LED interactive touch board panel have been installed in all the 20 classrooms. By the end of the year, we hope all the buses which are standing there in front of the school will come down to the bus bay which is being created, which is being prepared these days. And so the entrance of our Jubilee Annex will become a children's park or a garden for our children. This year, we are fortunate to induct a fully qualified child counselor who assists many of our children, little ones, and many of them, quite a number of them we have, who are facing educational challenges and problems. I'm happy a number of senior boys and girls are also getting counseling from our child counselor. Dear parents, you notice that your children will enter Don Bosco School beginning from Jubilee Annex, the other end. That is the foundation stage. They will be in that building for 5 years. Then they come over to the Little Stars block. They'll spend their next stage of education, that is 3 years there, the preparatory stage. Then they come over to the main building, where they will spend the rest of their 3 and 5 years, the secondary, middle and secondary stages. Our school infrastructure is prepared as per National Foundation Policy norms, National Education Policy norms. They move out of our school fully equipped and ready to face the world with confidence and courage. One of the special projects that we took up this year was to revamp the electrical facilities in our school in a very, very professional manner. Now you may not find too many loose ends or cables lying about or switches around the school building. We have arranged them in a very beautiful manner. This big budgeted work is being completed these days so that your children will be protected from any dangers that might arise from electrical malfunctioning. We are happy to have purchased a new generator. It just came day before yesterday. We inaugurated yesterday. Today is the second day. A big generator, 82.5 kV, built by Don Bosco Tech Silchar. We would like to thank Brother Reggie and the team who built and gave to us. Thank you, brother. Let's give a very good hand. We hope in the coming years to construct a new student gallery in the playground with a spacious stage, and so that we can have annual function out there in the field. As we move on, we hope to add additional facilities for the students so that they can get training in vocational skills and play method or teach learning. We'll be selecting a few domains where our students will get a practical hands-down training which will be part of their school curriculum. Dear parents, all the 2,367 students of our school are taken care by 148 staff members, teaching and non-teaching. We have 4 coordinators who manage the day-to-day activities of the school, along with the Father Dinesh Narzari, the Vice Principal. Father also additionally takes care of the school bus system. At the moment, we are also working on an app which in the coming years, so that various certificates, mark sheets can be downloaded when you are sitting at home or in a computer lab. We believe classroom learning must go hand in hand with the group activities. And so group activities like NCC, Scouts, Guide Movement, and various competitions, both in national and within the school, will be given a lot of importance. Hence, you will find the school diary, assessments and exams are conducted separately for those who take part in these activities, especially those who take part in the national competitions. We hope to introduce shortly a sports or activity policy so that those students who excel in the state or national competitions will be given additional grades in their report cards. It is exciting to educate your children. We believe that they are going to be the reckoning force in the future society. Thank you for entrusting your children to us. Together, we can bring them up as morally upright persons and good citizens of our nation. Once again, welcome everyone. This evening's program may not be a very professional one, but surely it is going to be a very affectionate one, coming from the heart of the Bosconians. Have an enjoyable evening. God bless you all. Welcome everyone. Thank you.
Father, please hold on. Can you please remain on the stage? We'd also like to request you to felicitate our esteemed guests.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Neelam. And that is Neelam Sinha. And she is one of those who scored 100 upon 100 in mathematics during the class 10 examinations. Thank you. Mrs. Lippy Paul, our senior teacher, along with her students, will be doing the honors in welcoming our guests. Dear guests who are sitting here, kindly stand up so that our children can come over and they can offer you a symbols of welcome and appreciation. And so let me start with welcoming Father Provincial. Father Provincial, please. Father Provincial, Father John Zosiama. He is the Salesian Provincial of Shillong Province. He is the father figure of all of us. He takes care of all the Don Bosco schools in our province. Welcome, Father. Be at home. Enjoy this evening. Thank you. And I'm happy to appreciate the presence of Reverend Father Jeevan Kishore Lakra, our Vice Provincial, who is a guest of honor today for his maiden visit to our school. He is the deputy to the provincial. It's a joy working with you, dear Father. Most welcome. I'm happy to welcome Father Genesius Vaniang, the financial administrator of the province. He was earlier the director of BITS and social development wing of the province. Thank you, Father. for joining us this evening. I'm happy to welcome two of our eminent guests, Sri Achintam Kilkdar, Deputy Commissioner, Department of Social Welfare. Sir, please stand up. And he is one of our happy parents. Thank you for joining us this evening. I'm happy to welcome Mr. Kamal Kalai, Executive Member, TTADC, and other satisfied parents of our school. Thank you, sir, for joining us. This evening, I'm happy to welcome Father Babu Stephen, the principal of St. Xavier's School, Patalegarh. He is the counselor of all the Don Bosco schools in the province. In spite of his recent bereavement in the family, Babu, thank you for joining us. And we would like to wish him all the best as he organizes All India Principals meeting this year in Shillong. Thank you, Father. We would like to appreciate and felicitate Brother Reggie Joseph, Director of Bosco Tech, Silchar. Thank you, brother, for building that beautiful, that huge generator for the school. Thank you very much. And I would like to also welcome Father Josh Maria, the rector of Don Bosco School, Silchar. Thank you, Father, for joining us this evening. Welcome, Father Nelson Joseph, principal of Don Bosco School, Longthlai, Mizoram. Huge distance that you covered. Thank you very much. I'm sure our scouts will be enjoying your help during this scout meeting during the month of December. Welcome, Father. I'm happy to welcome Father Kenny Pakma from St. Joseph School, Don Bosco School, Umran. He is the director of Don Bosco Agriculture Center, Umran. Welcome, Father. Thank you. I'm happy to welcome Father Saji Joseph, Father Saji Stephen. He is the director of Don Bosco Technical School, providing vocational training to a very big number of young people. Welcome, Father Saji. Happy to welcome Father Gilson Tom, principal of Holy Cross School, Agartala, the biggest school here in Tripura. Thank you very much, Father, for joining us. I'm happy to welcome Sister Marceline Sagma, Superior of Auxilium Convent. Earlier, Sister was the principal. Right now, she has come back as the Superior Animator. Welcome, Sister. Feel at home. It's my honor also to welcome Sister Joplin Suchiang, Principal of Auxilium Girls School. Welcome, Sister. I hope you'll have a wonderful evening together with our children. I'm happy to welcome Sister Superior from St. Joseph's Hospital and sisters from St. Joseph's Hospital. Sisters, please stand up. Our children would like to welcome you. Thank you very much. Our school managing committee is represented by Sir Prashanjit Singha. Thank you, sir, for joining us. And I'm sure you will enjoy this evening together with your son and his companions.
Host today, we feel honored to guide you through this journey of talent, passion, and pure expression. So sit back, open your heart, and get ready to feel the magic of art like never before.
Our theme tonight for the dance, Breaking Boundaries, Building Bridges, speaks to the heart of what dance is.
We are excited to lead you through this inspiring evening as we celebrate breaking boundaries and building bridges through a semi-classical dance.
So, join us in welcoming them up on the stage.
We'd also like to thank the teacher mentor, Ms. Durba Chakrabarti, Ms. Sangamitra Chakrabarti,
and Miss Soma Nandi
for their guidance.
चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणाय निनगे नमो नमो चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो सुन्दरकर पिनागधर सुन्दरतर पिनाग धर गङ्गाधर गज चर्माम्बरधर गङ्गाधर गज चर्माम्बरधर चन्द्रचूड शिवशङ्कर पार्वती रमणा निनगे नमो नमो सद्यो जातमापदनम् गङ्गा चन्द्रसमागमतीर्थम् प्रणवम् नादमयुणरुम् तुडियो वेदकलामृतपुण्यम् प्रकृतियुम् निन्निल विकृतियुम् निन्निल स्वरங்களிലാய் ലയങ്ങളിലായി शक्ति स्वरूपम् ॐ शिवोऽहम् श्री शिवोऽहम् ॐ शिवोऽहम् रुद्रम् शिखरम् पुरळलि वसिमरुद्राक्षವು ಧರಿಸಿದ ಪರಮ ವೈಷ್ಣವನು ನೀನೆ ಗರುಡ ಗಮನ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಪ್ರಿಯನು ನೀನೆ ಚಂದ್ರಚೂಡ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ರಮಣ ನಿನಗೆ ನಮೋ ತನದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತನಂ ತನದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ತದಾನಂ ನಿರಿಸ ಸ್ವಾಸ ನಿಸರಿ ನಿರಿಸ ಸ್ವಾಸ ನಿಸರ ನಿ ಪಮ ಭಾಗ ಮರಿ ಸರಿ ರಿ ಕರಿ ಸ ಮಾಮ ಪದರ ನಿಸರಿ ರಿ ಗಗ ಸರಿ ಗಗ ನಿಸದ ಮಮದ ನಿಸರಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಸದ ನಿ ಪಮ ಭಾಗ ಮರಿ ಸ್ವಾಸ ನಿಸರಿ ರಿ ರಿ ಗಗ ಗಗ ರಿ ಮಮ 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 ಮದ ಧನ ಧನ పూర్ణమం శూన్యమం ఏకమే కృష్ణం రుద్రం ఏకమే
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई कहती है
takita jum, takita jum, di, takita jum, takita jundudum, takita jum, takita jundudum, takita jum, takidum, 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 takita di, takita takajundudum, takita nam, takita takajundudum, takita takajundudum, takita di, takita tum, takita takidum, takita ta. జండు దిన్నెత్త జండు దండత్త జండు దగ్గర దిన్నెత్త జండు దండత్త జండు దగ్గర దిన్నెత్త జండు దిన్నెత్త జండు దండత్త జండు దగ్గర దండత్త జండు దిన్నెత్త జండు దచ్చం దండత్త జండు దండత్త జండు దగ్గర దిన్నెత్త
कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई सब नूर नूर सा बिखरा है ये तो तू ही ख्यालों में उतरा है बस झूम 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 जाता है दिल तू मस्तानी है तू दीवानी है पाकीज़ा हस्ती है तेरी तू नूरानी है सब नूर नूर सा बिखरा है ये तो तू ही ख्यालों
A huge thank you to all the talented dancers who brought their passion, energy, and creativity to this event. Our next item is a choral recitation under the guidance of Miss Uma Shankar Riyang,
Miss Renuka Bara,
Sir Dipankar Chakravarti.
and Miss Lipika Rani Sinha.
This choral recitation is based on the theme
Women empowerment and equal opportunities, reflecting the progress and the hope that we hold for a world where everyone, regardless of gender, has a fair chance to dream, achieve, and thrive.
Through this choral recitation, we'll hear voices united in calling for change and breaking down barriers. In fact, a powerful expression of resilience, courage, and unity.
So let us all open our hearts and listen closely to this chorus of strength and solidarity. We have 4 different languages performed by our Bosconians. First off, we have Kokborok, Manyata Sadi by Narendra Debarma.
Second, Hindi, Tum Ladki Ho by Priyanshi Bansal.
Third, Bengali, Kanya Shlok by Malika Sengupta.
And lastly, we have an English poem, Equipment by Edgar Guest.
तुम लड़की हो, कुछ चीजें हैं जो तुमसे कहनी है, कुछ चीजें हैं जो तुमसे कहनी है। क्या पता जिंदगी के किस मोड़ में काम आ जाए। मत हंसो, बाहर जा रही हो, रातों में कब करो, रोज इतनी फोटोज पोस्ट मत करो, इतने लड़कों की दोस्त मत बनो। जब तुम सपने देखोगे तो बहुत सवाल उठेंगे। कोई तुम्हारे लिए गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोलेगा तो कोई अपना दिल का दरवाजा बंद भी करेगा। पर सुनो, कोई तुम्हें चाहे कुछ भी कहे, तुम अपनी सुनना। कभी लगे कि दुनिया के लगाए सारे इल्जाम और पाबंदियां सही है, फिर भी तुम अपने सपनों को चुनना। तुम अबला नहीं, रानी नहीं, अप्सरा हो। আমার দুর্গা পথে প্রান্তরে স্কুল ঘরে থাকে। আমার দুর্গা বিপদে আপদে আমাকে মা বলে ডাকে। আমার দুর্গা আত্মরক্ষায় শরীর পূর্বে মন না। আমার দুর্গা নারী গর্ভে রক্ত মাংস কন্যা। আমার দুর্গা গোলগাল মেয়ে, আমার দুর্গা তন্নি, আমার দুর্গা কখনো ঘরোয়া কখনো আগুন বন্যি। আমার দুর্গা মেধা পাটেকর তিস্তা শীতলা বাদেরা। আমার দুর্গা মোম হয়ে জ্বালে অমাবস্যার হাতেরা। আমার দুর্গা মণিপুর জুড়ে নগ্ন মিছিলে হাঁটে। আমার দুর্গা কাস্তে হাতুড়ি আউশ ধানের মাঠে। আমার দুর্গা ত্রিশূল ধরেছে স্বর্গে এবং মর্তে। আমার দুর্গা বাঁচতে শিখেছে নিজেই নিজের শর্তে। আমার দুর্গা বাঁচতে শিখেছে নিজেই নিজের শর্তে। Figure it out for yourself, my lad. Figure it out for yourself, my lad. You have all that the greatest of men have had. 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 legs, 2 eyes, and a brain to use if you would be wise. With this equipment, they all began. So start from the top and say, I can. Look them over, the wise and great. They take their food from a common plate. And similar knives and forks they use. With similar laces they tie their shoes. The world considers them brave and smart. But you have all they had when they made their start. You can triumph and come to scale. You can be great if only you will. You're well equipped for what fight you choose. You have legs and arms and a brain to use. And the man who had risen, great deeds to do, began his life with no more than you.
मेहरबान कदरदान स्वागतम प्यारे ऑडियंस.
Oh my God, it seems like you are in a good mood today, but you are in the wrong place.
Am I?
Yes,
Anyways, do you want to know the reason of my good mood?
of course.
Our next item have थोड़ा धमाका, थोड़ा मस्ती and थोड़ा romance.
अच्छा, तो ऐसा क्या है?
तो दोस्तों रेडी हो जाइए क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ दिल से बोला जाता है और इसे ही बॉलीवुड कहते हैं.
अरे तुम तो फिल्मों की इंसाइक्लोपीडिया हो. वैसे ऑडियंस में देखो तो सबके फेसेस में वो शाहरुख खान स्टाइल एक्साइटमेंट दिखाई दे रही है.
और क्यों ना हो, अगर एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर ली तो मैं ऑडियंस की भी नहीं सुनती.
बस करो तुम्हारा फिल्मी डायलॉग.
Okay, without any further delay, let's call upon the Bollywood dancer who have been mentored by Ms. Sharmila Debbarma
and Miss Komal Sinha.
इन आँखों की मस्ती के इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता, इन आँखों से वाबस्ता, अफसाने हजारों हैं, अफसाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के। एक तुम ही नहीं तन्हा, एक तुम ही नहीं तन्हा, उल्फत में मेरी रुसवा, उल्फत में मेरी रुसवा, इस शहर में तुम जैसे, इस शहर में तुम जैसे दीवाने हजारों हैं, दीवाने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, इन आँखों की मस्ती के। ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है, ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी जाना है।
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
अभी अभी तो आई हो, अभी अभी जाना है।
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इन बाहों को इन राहों को छोड़िए छलिया जाए कहाँ। माना दिल तो है अनाड़ी ये आवारा ही सही, अरे बोल राधा बोल संगम होगा के नहीं। हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। दिल का भंवर करे करे पुकार जब प्यार किसी से होता है। जिया ओ जिया कुछ बोल दो अब दर्द सा दिल में होता है। ओ तेरे घर के सामने घर बनाऊंगा टूटा ही सही, पल भर के लिए कोई हमें प्यार कर ले, झूठा ही सही, झूठा ही सही, हाय झूठा ही सही। हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहां, चाहे मुझको जंगली कह दे सारा जहां। हो महफिल तू फिरे, याहू दिल करे, महफिल तू फिरे, याहू दिल करे, बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। जय जय शिव शंकर, काटा लगे न कंकर, चाहे कुछ कर ले जमाना, मेरे जीवन साथी मेरे सपनों की रानी, जिंदगी सफर है सुहाना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे ना सुना कीजिए, चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए, जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते। जमाने को दिखाना है, दर्द दिल दर्द जिगर, जमाने को दिखाना है, हम किसी से कम नहीं है, तुझको ये बताना है, ये वादा रहा ओ मेरी चांदनी, हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते, हम है